Here's the conversion from halogens to LEDs for the low beams on a 2018 Toyota 4runner. Remember to turn off the engine and let it cool down before starting this process. Here's what the low beam bulb looks like out of the box. First off, open this plastic cover here by turning it counterclockwise. I'm showing this cover being removed counterclockwise on the passenger side. Now, this may be trickier on the driver's side because the battery is in the way, giving less room to do this process, but is the same for upgrading the bulbs from halogen to LEDs. Hold down and push the electrical connector from the halogen bulb. The driver's side is a little harder because of the battery for this process. Again, this is on the front passenger's side I'm showing. Turn the halogen bulb assembly clockwise, then pull out, and please remember to wear gloves to avoid the bulb from burning out. The replacement will be Headlight Expert's LED conversion kit, and they have inline capacitor to make it easier for you to remove the center ring on the LED and install in the housing first with a special tool supplied from the kit. Here's the center ring being installed into the housing for the new LED assembly, and the special tool is being used to make it easier to install this ring. Insert the special tool in the center ring and turn it counterclockwise to tighten it. Slide the LED bulb in the center ring and turn clockwise to lock it in. Reconnect the electrical connector and put them back inside the housing. This LED conversion kit has inline capacitor because on some aftermarket LEDs, it will cause the dashboard lights to be dimmer or some error message on the dashboard. The capacitor is the power supply for the new LED and it'll eliminate the problem that I mentioned. Close the cover by turning it counterclockwise, and then turn the headlights on and make sure there's no error or problem. Here are the LEDs turned on after complete installation, and they make a big difference from the halogens that came with this 4runner. And the halogens have been saved in the box of the LED conversion kit that these LEDs came in. And I'll show the high beams here. And I hope this will help for those who want to convert from halogens to LEDs on their 4runner.